Hello, my lovely friends. I am Prerna and I have come back with another wonderful story for you all. I hope you all are doing well. Are you taking care of yourself and everyone around you during these tough times? I am sure you are. Please take these precautions like washing your hands frequently and wearing a mask while going out. Our Sakhi Masuma help us create new and motivational audio stories for you. The name of our story is Unity is Strength. A father had a family of sons who were perpetually quarreling among themselves. When he failed to heal their disputes by his exhortations, he determined to give them a practical illustration of the evil of disunion. One day he told his sons to bring him a bundle of sticks. When they had done so, he placed the fagot into the hands of each of them in succession and ordered them to break it in pieces. They tried with all their strength and were not able to do it. He next opened the fagot, took the sticks separately one by one and again put them into his son's hand, upon which they broke them easily. He then addressed them in these words: "My sons, if you are of one mind and unite to assess each other, you will be as strong as this fagot, unusual by all the attempts of your enemies. But if you are divided among yourselves, you will be broken as easily as these sticks." It is very important for us to understand that unity is necessary whenever we go. And so truly as the saying goes, united we stand, divided we fall. I hope you like this story and learnt the meaning of unity from it. I want to thank Aarti Naik Changemaker who encouraged me and gave me this platform so that I could learn with you all. Tomorrow I will come with another amazing story. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye.